march.
Right, left, right, left, right, left, right.
For my soldiers, march with me. For my soldiers, march with me. For my soldiers, march with me. All my soldiers, march with me. Firearms by his side, hearing no sound, just watching the fireworks in the sky. I walk by, look down, he's still smiling, cause he's done fighting. A fallen soldier, now his war's over. Don't matter what side is wrong or right, some innocent lives will be lost on the battlefield tonight. So hungry to kill, only as death could curb his appetite. Live ammo hit the flesh and it feels so right. I've embellished my life, now God please tell me it's just what death's like. His definite sense kept his innocence. Heavy-hearted spouse claiming on to anything intimate that she could find around the house. What's the difference between Bush and Saddam? Sheikh Ahmed Yassim, Osama Bin Laden, or Idi Amin, Fidel Castro? It seems to me they on the same team. They hate only leads to innocent bloodstreams. If it's so important for us to fight for mankind, why I don't see none of they kinfolk out there on that front line like I'm a soldier. Ride head, held high with my girls by my side, ready to ride till I die. And I'm a soldier, and you can see it in my eyes. Even when the man dies, they say a soldier never cries. And I'm a soldier until the day they take my life. All my soldiers, march with me. All my soldiers, march with me. I thought I told ya, this is the story of a soldier. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Stand up, stand up, stand up. US, stand up. UK, stand up. France, stand up. Spain and Portugal, Germany, stand up. Slovakia, stand up. China, stand up. Palestine, Kosovo, ghetto world, stand up. This is a live nigga PSA from the one and only Ghetto Bullhorn. Come to warn you, there's a war going on outside, and you can't run, you can't hide. All my soldiers march. All my people march. Ghetto folk march. Whole world march. All my soldiers march. All my people
Would you like to come in now? Would you like to come inside? Would you like to come in now?